So we're gonna do a cold start on my 5.2 Dodge here, and so my buddy's gonna start it for us. I'll flip you around. Does blow a little smoke out of the pipes here, and that is because when we redid the top of the motor, when he punctured a hole in the head, the valves are a little screwed up, and we know it. You ain't gotta worry, we do know all about that, and it needs new heads because the valves are they're no good. They sat outside for a long time. We made them work. It's what I got. So now we'll do one on my other buddy here. We'll have to do his truck, which is the 5.9 straight piped manifolds instead of short tube headers like mine. 2-inch exhaust just like mine. Well, there you guys have it. If you like this video and you want to see more of either one of these vehicles or the Lincoln, that's straight piped as well. The only thing it's not is the wife's car, you know. So if you guys want to see more, let us know and we'll make more.